In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar private. If you've ever worried that your schedule might be visible to others, this walkthrough will help you lock it down so only you and the people you choose can see it. We'll do this on a computer using the web version of Google Calendar, since that's where all the privacy controls live and are easiest to find. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing into the account that owns the calendar you want to keep private. On the left side, you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to secure. A small icon with 3 dots will appear next to its name. Click those 3 dots to open the options menu for that specific calendar. This menu controls settings for just that calendar, which is important if you manage more than one. From the options menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the dedicated settings page for the calendar you selected. You're looking for the section called Access Permissions for Events. Scroll until you see it. This is where Google controls whether your calendar is visible on the web or inside your organization. Inside Access Permissions for Events, look for the option labeled Make Available to Public. To keep your calendar private, make sure this box is not checked. If it is currently turned on, uncheck it. Google may display a warning about hiding your calendar from the public. That's expected and exactly what we want. If you use a work or school account, you might also see an option like Make Available for your organization. Turn that off as well if you want complete privacy so colleagues can't browse your schedule by default. A quick note on what this setting does. Turning off public availability prevents anyone from viewing your calendar through a public link or search. It doesn't delete your events, and it doesn't stop you from sharing with specific people later if you choose. If you've previously shared this calendar with certain individuals, those people may still have access. You can review that under the sharing section on the same page if needed. Once you've confirmed that Make Available to Public is off, you're done. Your calendar is now private. If you manage multiple calendars, repeat these steps for each one. And if you're using a phone, remember that these privacy toggles are best managed from a desktop browser for full control. That's it. Simple, secure, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.